Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you guys an eyeshadow. I'll be giving y'all an eyeshadow look. It's finally here. I played in my makeup and this is the look we're doing today. So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the, ooh girl, ew.
Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
So we're gonna jump straight into it, y'all. This is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade 410. And as you can see, I'm just using a concealer brush and I am cleaning up underneath my brows. So the way I did my brows, which as you can see I did off camera, is my laminated brow tutorial. So I'll link that in the cards. And then here I'm just using some more of that concealer from Fenty Beauty to conceal and prime the rest of my lid. I sprayed my brush with some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist just to help kind of blend that out, and now we have a nice clean base to start off with. I am going to set it with some of my Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. So here I'm putting down my tape because I almost forgot, y'all. This is some regular tape around the house, but you know, that's what we're using today. And then I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills X Jackie Eyeliner palette and taking the shade Ginger and putting that above my crease as my transition shade. And y'all, I'm just like, I usually do my first eye off camera so I can know what I'm doing. And so here I think I know what I'm doing, but you gotta trust the process, okay? So I'm just blending this out above the crease, like I said, using my windshield wiper motions. And then I'm taking my Morphe 39A palette. This is the Dare to Create palette. And I'm taking that navy blue shade and using this to kind of define my crease. So this is going to be quote unquote like the darkest shade up until the like cut crease, I guess. It's not like a hard cut crease. It's really more of a smoky eye, but this is kind of the darker end of the spectrum for my gradient. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm just here trying to give y'all a little eyeshadow tutorial because that's what y'all asked for. And so now I'm taking, I think this is Credit from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm using that to kind of blend out the blue into Ginger. Now at first I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work, but you know, you just keep blending until you know you make some shake. So you just keep blending until it look like a little something, okay? So that's what I was doing. So next I'm taking my NYX Professional Makeup. This is their eyeshadow primer base, and this is in white. Y'all don't judge my nails because I was struggling, but here I'm just carving out my crease. It sure ain't perfect. It look real crusty, looking a little dusty, but you know, ain't nobody perfect. So I'm just doing what I could do with what I got, and I'm cutting my crease. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is more of a smoky eye look versus like a distinct cut crease. So you know, just kind of line it up where you want those eyeshadows to pop. And so here I'm just vibing to my music, and I got my little fan going because what I learned is if this kind of gets tacky and the primer base dries a little bit, it's easier for me to apply my eyeshadows. So now I'm taking this beautiful blue color from my bhcosmetics. I believe this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Y'all, this, when y'all ask me what my favorite color is, this blue is precisely my favorite color. Then I'm taking a little bit of a darker one and I'm doing that on the side. So we're just building up a little gradient. So the very center of the eye is going to be the lightest color, and then as you move towards the outer corners, we're adding in darker blues. So now I'm going back in with the Dare to Create palette, back in with the dark navy blue, and we're doing that on the very ends. I'm also dragging this like into the crease to kind of make the crease look a little bit more blue going into Credit, which is that darker brown shade in our crease. So we're kind of connecting this to give it more of a halo eye situation. But y'all, I'm literally just blending until it look like a little something, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing. My hands look all messy, child. And then I'm taking this light teal, and that's going to be the center color. And so I'm putting that on the little bit of white space left over. And as you can see, we got a nice little gradient going. And now here I'm taking this Colored Rain eyeshadow. I'll link everything in the description box below. Now I'm just adding this little shimmy shimmy boo boo on the edges because I wanted this to be like a shimmery poppin' eyeshadow look. And if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing, sis? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Reshae. Okay. But if you already follow me on Instagram, I dropped the Essence challenge, where I did the fake Essence cover, and I did one with this makeup look, and y'all was digging it. So this is the eyeshadow look we did. And the glitter I'm using in this center is this JCat Beauty glitter. I saw these at the hair store, and I just thought they'd be dope to do an eyeshadow look with. So here we are, adding all our blue glitters, and we just looking cute. Ew, flutter the eyes. And then I'm taking this light blue color. This is from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. And I'm using that on my brow bone because, you know, we gotta have a little holographic glitter for like the highlighted areas. And these lashes are from AliExpress. This liner is from Heart Candy, and I just wanted to do like a little wing liner. I did a little mascara off camera, you know what I'm saying. And then we're peeling off the tape. Boom boom bam. Then I went in, I did my lashes and put on those mink lashes from AliExpress, and then put some white eyeliner in my under eye. I did that as like a base before we put this bright teal up under the eye, and they gonna make it pop. And that's pretty much all I did for this eyeshadow look. I hope y'all enjoyed it, honey, okay? Because I tried. And then I wound up doing my face makeup off camera. Same regular degla schmegla eye makeup. I did a little bit of that light blue Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette in the corner, and that's all I got. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did my base and my like foundation and stuff off camera, but this is literally the same steps I do all the time. The only difference is for highlighter, I use the same shade we use on my brow bone from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. But y'all, get into this look, get into it. Baby hairs on swim, so the hair on slim. Okay. Anyway, and then I got my dewy kind of just sitting on here like a little hat because it's like an accessory right now. But I did want to tell y'all what lip combo I had on because y'all always ask me. And so the lip liner I'm wearing is from e.l.f. It's just like their brown lip liner. I'll link it in the description box. And then for the lip color, I use the Lime Crime Lip Glaze Butter Glaze in the shade Fern. And so it's like a neutral brown skin color, and I think it looks good because when you got a lot going on with the eyes, you want the lips to be kind of subdued. So tell me what y'all think. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, digging it, digging it, digging it, digging it. Anyway, so that's all for this video. If y'all watched this far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe. Join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and hit that like button down below while you're down there, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye, guys.
Peace. In the Middle East with some chicken grease.